Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to migrate and upgrade from the legacy desktop version of the CurrentWare Suite to the new web console. Any CurrentWare version before 6.0.1 will need to follow these steps to complete the upgrade to the web console. First, let's install the new SQL database. Go to currentware.com/download/setup to get the latest download package. Find the zip file you just downloaded and extract its contents. Next, run the currentware.exe file that's inside the extracted folder on the computer or server that'll be hosting the CurrentWare server. The wizard will start the migration by installing SQL Express. At the bottom of this window, you'll see the default SQL account name and password. The default account name is SA, and the default password is currentware123! With an uppercase C and the remaining letters in lowercase. Press Next. When prompted to provide a directory for the extracted files, you can simply press OK, then continue with the installation. This will generally take 2 to 5 minutes. After completing the SQL Server installation, the installation wizard will automatically start the CurrentWare setup portion of the installation. At this stage, you'll get an error message indicating that the CurrentWare console is not responding. This is perfectly normal and can be safely ignored. Press OK, then press Next. Agree to the license agreement by pressing Next. Press Next to confirm the installation location. Next, the wizard will prompt you to migrate from Firebird to SQL. Depending on the size of your database, this step can take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours. In the next step, you will be prompted for the default SQL account information. If the wizard has not automatically populated this information, click the "What is my default password" link to get it. Click Next. Next, it will prompt you to choose which information you would like to migrate. Choose the data types and time period you'd like to retain in your new SQL database. Press Start, then Yes to start the migration. Depending on the size of your database, this might take several minutes or hours. Once it has completed, you'll see a Database Migration Successful window. Press Next to upgrade the CurrentWare server to the latest version. Press Install. After a while, you will be prompted to create your own login credentials for the CurrentWare web console. You must make note of your credentials, as you will need them to log into the web console from now on. Press Next once the installation is complete. This window provides you with all the recommended antivirus exclusions and network ports that you must have open in order to use CurrentWare. Once those are in place, you can hit Next. It may take a minute before the wizard moves on to the next step. Here, it shows the name of your CurrentWare server for your reference. Press Next to finish the installation, and your CurrentWare web console will appear in a web browser window. That's it. Welcome to your new CurrentWare web console. Simply enter the credentials you created earlier to gain access to your CurrentWare solutions, run reports, and update your CurrentWare policies.